Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to s plus 1. Because we have s, so I will put number 1 go to the left, and we have u minus 1 equals to s. Next, we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of u, we have number 1, so we have the u. This one, that is about the constant, so you got 0. This one, we have number 1, so we have the s. So s plus 1 we change by u. S we change by this one. The s we change by the u. So this one we have negative number 2. Next, we have the formula in here. ln AB equals to ln A plus ln B. So for this one, I will put into negative number 2, and we have 1 minus u over 2. Because negative number 2 multiplied by 1 minus u over 2, you got this one. Now we apply this formula in here, and that should be like this. So in this situation, we can accept about ln of negative number 2. This is about complex number right now. Now we need to separate them in here. So the integration of this one, we have ln negative number 2, ln of the absolute value of u. Now we need to consider about this one. So I will put about number 2 and another 1 over 2 in here, because I want to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about t equal to u over 2. So we do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the u over 2. We don't have the u over 2 in here, so I will put number 2 go to the left. This one we change by t, this one we change by t, the u we change by this one. So this one they cancel. Next, I will put negative in here and another negative in here. So the integration of this one, we will have li number 2, and we have t. This is about special integral. That is about the logarithm function. And now I will put about c in here. Next, about t, that is about u over 2. So we go back in here. So the interaction of this one, that is about this one. And I will put about C. About U, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.